very hate that username is @betaSmile on 2005. Because he making grounded video out of me along with my friends. But how I'm gonna do? I know. I'm going to Abade Ismail on 2005's house and burn his car down. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Now I'm at Abade's house. And now I have a Minecraft torch. Now it's time to burn his car down. Yes. I did. I burned Abade Ismail on 2005's car down. Now he deserve it for life. Oh shit. Abade is coming. I'm gonna get the out of here before he will caught me.
Well, I'm going to the supermarket to buy some. Oh no! My car is burned down. I can't believe my car is burning down. Could have done this? Wait a minute. I knew it. It was Boshi the dinosaur. He's the one who burned my car down. I can't believe that Boshi the dinosaur did this. That's it. I will call Yoshi the dinosaur. And after that, I will call the 911 fire out and put my in the garage and to fix it.
Later, after Abade got off the phone, call Yoshi the dinosaur to grounding Boshi. Abade called the 911 out fire to fix his car in the garage, and when Boshi got back home.
Oh my fucking god. Boshi, we can believe you burned Abade Ismail on 2005's car down. You know you cannot do that at all. To get you arrested, and his car will fixing soon. That's it. You are grounded until the Abade Ismail on 2005's 4th anniversary will coming in October 2nd, 2022.
Go to your room right now.
Yeah. Screw Yoshi and Berta. Stinky bugs.